I bought these contact lenses from a site called ohmykitty4u.com, and I just wanted to give a live, honest opinion of when I opened it. I've never used contacts before, but my logic was because I have heterochromia. One of my eyes is slightly different from the others. So I was curious what it would look like if I got two different looking contacts. Now, I don't have a proper camera for this, so what I did was I just taped the camera to the wall of the bathroom. So, that's pretty cool. Alright, so it comes with lens holders, I guess. And the drops. I don't know what this is. It came from somewhere in Asia, I think they said. Took a while to get here, but... Contents, one contact lens. Okay, so that's the kind of contact lens. I got two sets. So one was packaged in these little... I think they're plastic jars. So as I could tell in the pictures online, the dots on them are very noticeable from close up. I'm not sure how that'll look on, but... And the other set is in this box. I like the little jars. I can't properly see my phone screen because it's covered in tape. So these say made in Korea. From little blister packs. The printing quality is about the same. So now I'll attempt to open them and put them in my face. These are very challenging to open. I feel like they're gonna fly out everywhere, which would be unfortunate. Not surprisingly, my initial thought is it's super weird, and I have a lot of respect for anybody who can put something in their eye regularly. It's super weird. It looks good from a distance. It's so far a little bit hard to see from. Here's one of the ones I have. Oh, I like the color. I wish my eyes were that color. It's kind of green, but the feeling, I guess, one would get used to after a while. It's hard. I'm not really pretending to make a review of the contacts themselves, since I'm not somebody who normally wears contacts, so it can't really be a fair review. I was just saying, having contacts in your eyes feels weird. The feeling, I could get used to. I'm not sure whether or not I could see normally. When would I be able to see normally? So the problem with being able to easily see with them is they do move around in the eye pretty easily. These Kazue ones, at least. So it slides off to the side. That could be just me not knowing how to use them. But when they do that, then it slightly obscures the vision a little bit. So you can adjust them a lot, I guess. I would say probably need to adjust them a lot. No, there is the other one I want to try. These ones are yellow. It wasn't immediately obvious how to open it. It has a fairly thick metal seal on top of that rubber cork. That's cool, I guess. So I just poured it out into the container that the other one came in because it's more convenient, even though the packaging was less cool. So I'm going to try to get this into my eye. And I'm back. What do I think? I think even though I have quite a bit of time, I don't have enough time in an average day to spend that much time putting contacts in. I'll try to find out how to do it properly. But I got them in. Um, they look good from a distance, but they do slide around fairly easily. So than I expected, just to poke my eyeballs with my fingers. But very difficult to actually put them in for me. But I can't change my eye color. I can't make them convincing enough for people to think that these are my actual eye colors. Because if you from about 2 feet away, maybe 3, depending on your eyesight, you can tell that they're contacts. But they look good from a distance, I think. That's the color I wish my eyes were. They're more muted for sure. But yeah. For the quality, they're very soft, very thin, I guess, but they didn't tear at all, so I appreciate that. They came with a temporary tattoo, which is nice, I guess. Not my thing. I got it wet, so yeah, I don't need that.